This is part 1 on a tutorial how to solve a 3x3x3 Rubik's Cube. I'm going really fast because it keeps disconnecting. YouTube does. And in part 1 I'm going to be teaching you how to do the top cross. So first, find the orange center. Then first find orange and white. For me, it's right here. So bring it under where we have to go. And just turn it. And we have orange, white. Find orange and yellow. It's right here. Just bring it up. You have all these orange and green. And in a case when you like an orange and blue, when the orange is here and the blue is here, and you can't just turn it up, this way you do. You bring the side over, then you bring the face over, then you turn this orange up to make the top cross, then you bring all the middles back. So now we have the top cross. Alright, stay tuned for the next video.